Okay. I'm gonna connect 160. Start with in. So putting a compressor on the drums. So now insert in, and then I solo it. Now I want to put a reverb on the lead guitar and the vocals. So into the reverb, which is L13, and then I go into augs, which is I10. Now I want to connect stereo left ear, channel 6. This one. Channel 6. Now also need to solo that. Can pin it around. Pin it left. It's left ear. I'm gonna do the right ear. So put it in there. Then channel 7. Fins ring up. So that goes left ear. So that it goes to the right ear. I'm gonna record it to the master faders, so on the master fader. So on a new click track, I'll make sure it's here. We want it stereo. Let's call it master mix 1. Yeah, nice. Yeah, no, yeah. Okay, and then we wanna dead bus it. So I'm gonna chuck it here. And then yeah, it's all looking good, all looking spicy. I think I'm ready to arm it. Okay. And now I gotta get it fader. So I-23, 24. So the reason I'm doing 2 is because I want it stereo. I want left and right ear. Cool. And then on that thing now we're ready to record. Yeah. Cool.
Just wait for the track to start. Wow, you're a master engineer.
Oh, thank you. I know.
Even though it's like off balance work, I guess.
Okay, that should be good enough. That does the trick.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright,
next stage.
So now I want to be able to. I want to turn off record arm. That's
Do not.
And I'm gonna solo it, so I can just hear that.
Yep.
And get back to start. And play it. Now I want to hear it, so I'll set it to no input, and I'll set the output to 1 and 2 stereo. Perfect. Okay, and now we want to be able to get some short faders. So I'll flip this, mix this. Oh,
Yeah, perfect.
we don't want that. Never mind. I'm dumb. Okay, then we'll try play it. So you can see that alters the volume.